How to start a chat on KakaoTalk. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to start a chat on KakaoTalk. So let's get started. First, open the KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are on your home page, you will see your friends right here. Now in order to start the chat, you can just go to your chat section right here, tap on it. Now you can see the chat option right here. This is where you will see all the chats right here. Now tap on this new plus chat icon right here, tap on it. Now you can see regular chat right here, tap on it. Now share, just choose the friend with whom you want to chat. Now share it and tap the OK. Now once you do that, you can see the chat option has been opened. From here you can start your conversation. Just type in the message and tap on send right here. And that's it, you have just started a new chat on KakaoTalk. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.